So welcome back to another video. This one's quite interesting because I bought a new car. As you may see behind me, there's a bunch of BMWs. So now I know that it's a BMW. So with that said, here's my new car. No, I'm joking, that's not my car. This is my car. So it's a 2004 BMW 1 Series E87 120i. It's 2 liter, it's very good. I drove it I've had the car for like about 4 weeks now, something like that. So I drove it a while, it's really good. I quite enjoy it because I needed something more reliable than the Beetle. And now I joined up with SAbeemer Tunnel Run. So yeah, we're going to that today, and yeah, I'll throw some footage in that also, but first some cinematics of the BMW. So just a few clips in there from us driving away, or not us, but I mean people driving away from, I don't know, somewhere in the Cape. So yeah, we're actually at a garage at the moment. I don't know exactly where we are. It's past Worcester. So yeah, now we're waiting to get back on the highway. Some people are filling up their cars. I don't have money for that. But yeah, there's actually a very nice 1 Series in front of me here. This thing's nice. This thing is so beautiful. This paint on this is like absolutely gold. Like, are you mad? I mean, you get mine over there. Little beauty. But yeah. So we're just before the tunnel. As you can see, there's like a crap ton of BMWs behind me. The road goes on. I'll show it later. You're wide as hell. But yeah, so we're just going through the tunnel now. I'll put some footage in that way. Film with my phone. I think the mic is better, but I'll have to check. But yeah. So we're all outside Worcester Mall now. As you can see, there's like a bunch of BMWs behind me. I feel like that's the 10th time I said I said that a lot today, that's what I meant to say. But yeah, this is the outro for the video. Thanks for watching. Not a long one, just a bunch of cars. I'm gonna take photos now, so yeah, check out my Instagram for that. So